The financial alarm clock. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of having a financial safety net but don't know where to start? Understanding your spending habits to change your financial life. You need to understand how you're spending your money. Take a close look at your bank statements and categorize each transaction into 3 piles: needs, wants, and debt repayment. The 50/30/20 rule. One simple rule can help you manage your finances like a pro. The 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income towards needs, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. The power of automation. Automation is key to building wealth. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. It's a small step that can make a huge difference over time. Living below your means. Living below your means is not about depriving yourself. It's about living intentionally. Focus on what truly adds value to your life and cut back on unnecessary expenses. The importance of emergency funding. A financial safety net is crucial for unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3-6 months worth of living expenses in an easily accessible savings account. Investing for the future. Finally, investing in your future can seem daunting, but it's essential for long-term wealth creation. Start by contributing to a retirement account or exploring low-cost index funds. Take control of your finances today. So, what are you waiting for? Take control of your finances today. Start small, be consistent, and watch your financial future unfold. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content on self-improvement and finance.